This quick video is about how to change BeReal emojis on iPhone. Okay, quickly open your BeReal app. Yeah, now switch this to Discovery. Here you can see the BeReal post across the world. Now if you want to react this post means, touch this white emoji icon or just double tap here. If you again double tap, it's gone. Okay, now you can see these emojis. Just touch the emoji you want to react. Now the camera was turned on. Here you have to just copy the emoji's reaction. Then hit capture button. That's it. Now just tap continue. Now here you can see your custom emoji like this. That's it for now. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.